Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change trackpad sensitivity on MacBook Air M4. To do that, first you're gonna have to open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, go to System Settings from here, then on the sidebar scroll down to Trackpad and open this menu. And now to change the sensitivity, you have to move the slider either to the left to decrease it or to the right to increase it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.